Woke up to the silence, heart heavy like lead. Made my money in the dirt, now I'm counting it dead. Friends turn to ghosts, enemies surround. Every quarter that I take, man, is bringing me down. Gun on my waist, stress in my chest. Mama don't recognize me, I ain't the same, I confess. Trying to find a way out, but the streets pull me in. Now I'm stuck in a life, trapped in my own sin. Sorry about the fall, and I never shed a tear, cause this life made me numb, only feel the fear. Late nights, empty bottles, mind full of regret. Every dollar that I made just piled on my debt. Every dollar that I made just piled on my debt. This life ain't what it seems, it's a cold, cold world. Got a chain on my neck, but my soul's unfurled. Lonely nights, no love, just fights and guns. In this game we all lose, even when we think we've won. Yeah, yeah. Stuck in the game, can't find no peace. Yeah, yeah. Run from the pain, but it just won't cease. Flashbacks to the block, nights when we ran. Now I'm laying low, but the law's still in demand. Homies in the pen, others lost in the streets. I'm the last one standing, but it don't feel sweet. Blood in my hands, can't wash it away. Every deal, every hit, there's a price I gotta pay. Can't trust nobody, everybody's a snake. Even when I'm smiling, their smiles always fake. Got money, got cause, but my heart still broke. No one to share it with, but this little lonely bloke. These streets raised me, but they tainted my soul. Living like a king, but it's out of control. This life ain't what it seems, it's a cold, cold world. Got a chain on my neck, but my soul's unfurled. Lonely nights, no love, just fights and guns. In this game we all lose, even when we think we've won. Yeah, yeah. Stuck in the game, can't find no peace. Yeah, yeah. Run from the pain, but it just won't cease. Looking in the mirror, I don't know who I see. This ain't the kid I was, this ain't who I should be. Lost in the grind, trapped in the hustle. All I got left is the pain and the struggle. Dream of getting out, but this life got a hold. Money bought me diamonds, but it couldn't buy no soul. Can't sleep at night, demons in my head. Feeling like I'm living, but inside I'm dead. So I walk these streets, but I walk them alone. Heart full of steel, but it's cold as stone. The life of a gangster is just full of lies. Living to survive, but inside I die. Yeah, yeah. Another day, another scar to keep. Yeah, yeah. Ain't no love for a gangster, just pain that's deep. This song captures the harsh reality of a gangster's life, where success is accompanied by emptiness, regret and loss. It portrays the internal struggle of living a life that feels like a trap, despite the external signs of success. This life ain't what it seems, it's a cold, cold world. Got a chain on my neck, but my soul's unfurled. Lonely nights, no love, just fights and guns. In this game we all lose, even when we think we've won. Yeah, yeah. Stuck in the game, can't find no peace. Yeah, yeah. Run from the pain, but it just won't cease. This ain't the kid I was. This ain't who I should be. Lost in the grind, trapped in the hustle. All I got left is the pain and struggle. Dreamed of getting out when this life got low. Money bought me diamonds, but it couldn't buy no soul. Can't sleep at night, demons in my head. Feeling like I'm living, inside I'm dead. So I walk these streets, but I walk them alone. Heart full of steel, but it's cold as stone. The life of a gangster is just full of lies, living to survive, but inside I die. Yeah, yeah.